I keep forgetting that you can't breathe underwater, and I keep trying to breathe.
My dad expected me to just get like basic nails, and I was like, no baby.
I want long nails, I want them French tip, I want them pink and purple glitters, and you know what? Throw some 3D flowers on there.
Yeah, my father's face when I came back home, he was like, well. Okay, we're heading into summer looking like this. Gorgeous, but not as gorgeous as we could be. So let's glow up together and make sure that we are both ready for the upcoming summer. Okay, you guys, time is of the essence, and it's time to get serious. Summer is literally around the corner. So like I mentioned, I'm a really big self-care girly. I have different little routines that I do like every month, every week, every day. Today I'm gonna take you guys on some of the stuff that I do every month. Just some of the stuff and some of the stuff that I feel is most important. If I did everything, we would be here for like 2 hours. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope it inspires you to do a little glow up challenge for the summertime. Let's go. Good morning, you guys. We are going to do our nails today. This is a part of our glow up. Okay, look at my cute little Cindy cup. Okay, so one of my biggest steps to glowing up is having your nails done. I've been a nail girly since I couldn't even really tell you. I got my nails done for the first time ever. This is actually kind of funny. Okay. I got my nails done for the first time ever when I was about 10 years old, like 10 or 11. Gone to Mexico with my dad, and I'm a big daddy's girl, right? So I get whatever I want when I'm with my dad, you know what I'm saying? And one of my cousins in Mexico had just learned how to do nails herself, like acrylics and stuff. And she was like, oh my gosh, like let me practice on you. And my dad was like, oh yeah, go ahead. My dad expected me to just get like cute, like just basic nails, like, you know, like just like the color on them. No baby, no. Before this point, I had only ever done like nail polish because I never had the opportunity to put acrylics on my nails. But no, we sat down. She was like, what are you thinking? And I was like, you know what? I want long nails. I want them French tip. I want them pink and purple glitters. And you know what? Throw some 3D flowers on there. Yeah, my father's face when I when I came back home, he was like, well, and I'm like, you have to go pay her now. And yeah, and then ever since then, I've been a nail girly. However, right now I'm on a nail journey because I would get non-stop acrylics, like literally, and my thing is I wouldn't get fill-ins. I would just get a full set of acrylics, and then I'd go back to Karina, which is my nail girl, and I'd be like, hey girl, put some new ones on. And my nails are, so we're taking a little break. And in my little break, I have found press-on nails, my newfound love for press-on nails. Y'all, I've cracked the code. I cracked the code, okay? If you like to get your nails done and you want to try press-on nails, but you want press-on nails that will last you multiple days. You don't want to worry about your nail flicking off. You don't want to worry about your nail breaking or getting lost or falling off or anything like that. And you also don't want to worry about your nails looking wonky. Do yourself a favor and go to Target and get these by Olive and June. They have a ton of different designs. Like I've seen so many of them. I've literally been wearing these religiously. I've worn nothing else on my nails for the past like 6 months, I think. My nail health is so much better. I'm not joking. I've worn these for close to a month and they don't fall off. They're so strong. I don't know what is in this glue. But yeah, I love having little at-home nail appointments because I'll be getting my coffee, my little snacks. This is like a whole thing for me. Before and done. They are so cute. Are you kidding me? This is a new shape. I've never had this shape before, but they're so cute. So cute. And now I can be my true self and just, you guys, do you see the smile on my face? I just got what I think is the biggest PR package that I've ever gotten. I'm not gonna cry right now. So I came home from a little weekend trip to this big package on my step. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? And this, oh my gosh, I'm scared to open it because I'm so happy. It's from Olive and June, which, as you guys know and you just watched, are these nails, which are my favorite press-on nails ever in life. Thank you, Olive and June. I think I'm gonna do a little unboxing on TikTok, so if you want to see that, you know what, I'll just add the TikTok. I just received the biggest PR package I ever have, so let's unbox it and cry together. This is from Olive and June, and oh my gosh, if you know, you know that they are literally the best nail care. These were $10, and they will stay on for my entire life if I really wanted them to. Oh my gosh. It says, welcome to your best nail life. Oh my goodness. First, we have a little guide to the nails and everything in here. Okay, first we literally got 4 pairs of nails. This is like 4 months of nails. We got a gorgeous ombre set. We got this gorgeous pink floral set. This is like literally perfect for summer. Got these like brown metallic ones. These are so gorgeous. Okay, we got some blue French tips. And then we got this pouch. This is the cutest thing. I literally like I'm holding back tears. I'm so happy. And this is Christmas. Okay, so it's a kit on how to put your press-on nails on. It has like everything that you would ever think about needing. Literally has a cuticle cutter, cuticle oil, cuticle pusher, a buffer, a file, a nail cutter, one of these in case you're doing like polish and stuff so you can still do stuff without your nails chipping, a nail strengthener, and a little baggie to put your nails. You thought that was all, right? That's not all. I got this beautiful bookmark. This is so, y'all, this is so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Olive and June. Y'all know I ride with you guys. I'm gonna have Olive and June press-ons for my wedding. Okay, hi, foot fetish time. So, as we know, this is YouTube. It's free. You're not gonna see my toes. Sorry. But, I'm a DIY girly. I will always be a DIY girly. So, I actually really enjoy doing my own pedicures. And, like, I will go get them done every once in a while, but I just enjoy the process of even just, like, doing my own nails, my own facials and everything. Like, it's just so therapeutic to do it yourself. At least to me. I know not everybody feels that way, but to me. Since I will not show you the process, I was like, you know what? I can at least show you what I use and what I do. So first, clean your toes, clean your feet, scrub them, make sure they're all clean and good to go. And then do yourself a favor and go to Five Below and get these socks. On the outside, they're just like fuzzy, and then they have the little grips at the bottom. I think the grips are so cute because they're little feet. And the inside, it's like jelly, almost like a very, I don't know, honestly it feels kind of gross. This is what I put them in when I'm done, like when the whole everything is done. I put them in here, and then I kind of just wear these around for like 2 hours, whatever. And I do put the really thick lotion on my feet before I put them in here. Y'all, your feet will be so soft. For the actual like pedicure, I use 2 different brands, so from 2 different brands, from Melones and from Olive and June. You already know. I'm just gonna do white polish. So I usually just do the whole set from Melones, the base coat, the top coat, and then the white polish. If you're curious, it is 0555. I also have this really cute, here, let me pop it. I have this really cute, like, what are these called? Little drying lamps. So yeah, I just like do my toes and then I put them in here to gel dry, whatever it's called. I'm not a technician. Use these, obviously. And then from Olive and June, as you guys saw that they sent me a whole PR package. So I'm gonna use their cuticle oil, which is so cool. I've never seen a cuticle oil like this. Like, it has a little sponge at the end and you like literally dab it on there. That is so cute. I've been using it on my fingers and it looks very good. I also did my boyfriend's manicure, like, cause girl, do yourself a favor and do your man a favor and go look at his freaking cuticles and cut them, because I had never seen cuticles that long. So I had to do the Lord's work and fix it myself. And then I'm gonna use their file and their buffer. So yeah, that is what I use. That is what I do. Good morning. Good morning. It is day, I don't know what, of this glow up. Today I'm fresh out of the shower. I was about to do my makeup and then I was like, you know what? I want to try icing. We have our bowl of really cold water. Okay, let's see if I can handle it.
I keep forgetting that you can't breathe underwater and I keep trying to breathe.
That was harder than I imagined, and it was very cold. I kept trying to breathe somehow. I don't know, it didn't click to my brain, like, stop inhaling. I don't know, does my skin look better? I don't feel like it really did anything. Okay, so it is that time. Oh, I look kind of crazy right now. It is that time of the month, well I do this like twice a month, where it's just facial time. So I'm gonna let voiceover Cindy kick in just so I can fully enjoy it. I have my music playing, and then I'll just tell you guys what I'm doing along the way. So yes, this is what I do about twice a month. Sometimes the face masks switch up, sometimes like I do different white strips or I'll do different things, but this is like an overall what I do. And also today was a really good day because I have some celiac marks on my face that I have to take care of. So hi you guys, it's a voiceover Cindy. I'm gonna try and do this all in one take. Okay, so first off, I use Crest whitening strips, and I'm a smart little girl. I cut them in half so I get 2 uses out of each little container slip thing. Then I do this thing, I think it's called dermapeeling. It's just basically where you shave your face. This is the oil that I like to use for it. I do my eyebrows and then I also shave my face. Like I've always said, I ain't your mama. I'm not telling you to do this. I'm not telling you this is the way it's done. I'm just showing you how I do it. I know that there's a lot of people that are really against shaving your eyebrows, but this is how I've done it for the past like 10 years. If I do say so myself, I think I have very cute brows. But yeah, for the face, I do like to shave it always going down, always making sure that you're using a moisturizer. One time I did this without moisturizer. I mean, not a moisturizer, a little serum. Never again. My skin hated me. When I do this, I do feel like my makeup application goes on so much better and it looks so smooth. Then I use this little steamer that I got during quarantine. She's my little ride or die. I always use a different face mask. This is the one that I'm using today, and I really, really liked this one. But yeah, I'll let my face steam for like 10 minutes, and then my gua sha just really gently kind of make sure that it sets in, and it also feels really good because the gua sha is really cold. And yeah, once I take that all off, I make sure to rub whatever's left of the mask in, and then add my own moisturizers, my eye creams, the lip treatments, anything like that. And yeah, that's what I do. Hi friends. So I don't know if it's because I'm a Virgo rising or what it is, but I feel like I cannot function and be myself without a set list of like goals and a vision board and all of that stuff. So whenever I feel like I need a glow up, or whenever I feel uninspired, or whenever like a new season is starting, like summer, I always find it really important to make okay, I'm not trying to say that you have to make this like a whole thing and like uproot your life. You totally can if you want to, but just try it out. Like either a vision board or either like a list of goals always helps me. I like to do both. I like to do the extreme. If you guys ever get a chance to look at my journal, which you probably won't, it's like a little psychotic. So here is what I do and how I set my goals and all that stuff. First off, 2-drink combo. I have my homemade iced coffee and then some ice cold water. I'm the type of girl I like to have 2 drinks at a time, sometimes 3. This is today's rotation. I also do a lot of my goal setting on my laptop. So here's kind of how I like to do it. I'm so sorry, y'all. There's like a massive storm going on outside. And I live in Wisconsin, so we're not used to these type of storms. And I'm like, I am fully dressed to go on a hot girl walk. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but that's like later's problem. We're not gonna go on a hot girl walk till like 3 o'clock. So okay, but here is how I set goals and what I do. So I like to start with like an overall vision. I'll go on Pinterest, and I feel like I always have like a general idea of what I want to improve, whether that is like in the fitness era, in like girl boss section, in the mom section, in like my fashion section. You know, you always have a little idea. So I go on Pinterest and I just pick pictures that resonate with me, and I'll make like a little board. So like this one would be like board summer 24, you know, and then I'll put just anything that resonates with who I want to be in that era in that board, and then I'll download the most impactful pictures, upload them to Canva, and make a little like collage. And from there, I usually like to set like 5 goals or whatever, like an attainable number. I feel like when you set too many, it starts getting a little overwhelming. So I'll start with maybe like 5, and then for each goal, I list out like 20 things that I can do to achieve it. So it's not just like, oh, I want to go to Italy. And then it's like, okay, how are you going to go to Italy? You got to plan it out. Y'all, when I originally filmed this, I thought it was gonna be like aesthetically looking. I'm sorry, this is kind of awkward, but this is me making my vision board. Oh, look at him. He's so tired from his 12-hour shift. Okay guys, it's a little bit later. I just went ahead and finished my summer painting and I'm so excited. Like I said, first and foremost, I am a visual person. I like to visualize things, and I decided to make a Pinterest board with all of my like summer things that I want to do, summer vibes, maybe some outfits, and there are specific things that I wanted to do. So I have my little Pinterest board here, and then I decided, you know, I want to get in tune with my creativity or whatever. So I decided to make like an actual, like, on pen and paper little bucket list. It is so cute, it's so colorful, and it's in my everyday journal, so that way it's very easy for me to like look at it. I would do guys a couple things on my board. Look at how cute it is though. Ah, so cute. Okay, so I have like beach day, lake day, a nature hike, make a fruit salad, and I mean like one of those fruit salads where you literally cut up every single type of fruit and then put it together and then put some chamoy on top and some tahini and some limon. Oh, I want to see a parade. I don't know what parade. I just moved to a new city, so I'm like, maybe in my hometown we do a lot of parades for like the 4th of July, and I'm like, maybe we do that here. I don't know. I also want to watch the sunset like intentionally. I feel like I watch the sunset every once in a while where I'll like be working on my computer and I'll have my like window open and I can see the sunset, but it's not like intentionally out there looking at it. So I would like to do that. I remember in college I lived right by the lake, like literally across the street from the lake, so sometimes I would go down and like sit on the rocks and just watch the sunset, and that was so nice. So yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna watch that now, but we're gonna figure it out. I also want to do an outdoor movie, and I kind of want to do this with my siblings. Like I have a projector and kind of just take like a white sheet, go outside, maybe on the trampoline, and I don't know, watch a cute little movie outside. I live pretty close to Lake Michigan, so during the summertime, oh my gosh, during the summertime, downtown Milwaukee is just gorgeous. So I want to go back there and rent out a little bike and go bike riding. I've never done that. I have also, another thing I've never done that I've always wanted to do is take a boat on Lake Michigan and just like go around, just spend the day on a boat on Lake Michigan. That sounds like so much fun. I also want to try new coffee shops, specifically in the new city that I live in. I think that would be so fun. I also want to take an outdoor workout class. I didn't specify like Pilates or yoga, just like something outside, maybe with some friends. Make s'mores at a bonfire. That's like pretty average. I want to go to a summer concert, maybe Pitbull. I love Pitbull, so I don't know. I also want to go to a summer festival. Luckily, like I said, Milwaukee has quite a bunch of them, so maybe it'll be Summerfest, maybe Mexican Fiesta, maybe both, maybe other ones. I want to do a little pretty picnic. Have you guys seen those? I want to like make my own though. Like that sounds like so much fun. Maybe I might surprise Lalo like when he's done with work one day. We'll just be like, you know what, we're having a picnic today. I don't know, that'd be really cute. I also want to do like an outdoor brunch, maybe in downtown Milwaukee. I don't know. And then lastly, I don't go out. I don't enjoy going out, but like I feel like I have to sometimes, so going out. Okay, and then that was my bucket list. On the other side, I just created like, I guess my 5 priorities. Well, there's 4. My 4 priorities, and then listed goals under them, and then specifically what things I can do to achieve those goals. Okay, if you made it this far into the video, I love you and I hope you have 7 years good luck. I had so much fun filming this video and so much fun doing my little self-care and stuff with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed as well, and like I said, I hope it inspired you guys to do a little bit of self-care and a little bit of glowing up for the summer. Please let me know what other videos you guys want to see this summer. And yeah, without further ado, I think that's it. Bye guys.